Ever wondered what an AI appointment setter actually says to book quote visits for you while you're still on site? Let me show you. So you can see here, a lead's come through. Within the first 60 seconds of that lead coming through, our AI appointment setter reaches out to them. Hi, hope you're well. I've just seen that you're interested in our garden rooms. Is this the best way to reach you? And then they've put, hello, yes, exploring options just now, thanks. Nice, thanks for letting me know. Am I okay to ask you a couple of questions? So we're getting that conversation flowing as quickly as possible. They're on the phone, they're messaging back and forth. We want to keep them there and get them booked in for a quote visit. So they give some explanation of what it is they're actually looking for. And then we obviously say, thanks for sharing your ideas. This sounds like something we can help with. Out of interest, how quickly would you be looking to get started with your project? So again, we're qualifying them even further. Obviously they say tomorrow, we can't start building tomorrow, but we can book them in for a quote visit. Again, he says that he's on holiday, so he won't be there until 11 a.m. on Monday. And then he's giving us more background on what it actually is he's looking for. Again, we've just clarified, yep, this is definitely something we can do. You can have a look at our website and see all the projects that we've done in the past. More explanation and more spec as to what it is he's actually looking for. Happy to take some guidance. And then we say, yeah, we can definitely do this again. So we're reassuring him that we have the capabilities to be able to do this. And again, he's asking more questions about the project itself and are you actually able to do this for us? Again, we reassure them, make sure they're okay, and make sure that they're aware that we have the capabilities to do this. And then he's put, yeah, let's chat through at 9 a.m. on Thursday, thanks. We booked him for appointment. Perfect, I'll book you in on Thursday at 9 a.m. Looking forward to chatting through your project and options then. So you think how long this would take you normally to actually go through this entire process just to get them booked in for a quote visit? This was done for our client while they were on site or working actually on the business. If you want to see how this system could fill your calendar with quote visits while you actually work on the business, click the link in the bio and book a call.